Today, we're going to be discussing the structure, elucidation, and synthesis of a chemical compound called nicotine. Nicotine is one of the few liquid alkaloids. In its pure state, it is a colorless, odorless liquid with an oily consistency, but when exposed to light or air, it acquires a brown color and gives off a strong odor of tobacco. Toxic by inhalation and by skin absorption. Produces toxic oxides of nitrogen during combustion. Nicotine is classified as a stimulant of the autonomic ganglia. It is highly poisonous and its lethal dose causes paralysis of the nervous system, including the respiratory control centers, leading to respiratory failure. Nicotine is present in tobacco leaves as a salt of malic acid and citric acids. Empirical formula, C10H14N2. Boiling point, 247 degrees Celsius. Structure, elucidation of nicotine. The molecular formula of nicotine is C10H14N2. On oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate, nicotine gives pyridine 3-carboxylic acid. So nicotine contains a side chain in the third position. So we can write the structure as given. Nicotine forms an addition compound with ZnCl2, which on distillation gives pyridine, pyrrole, and methylamine. So the side chain in nicotine must be a pyrrole derivative. We know that nicotine has a side chain and the side chain must be a pyrrole derivative. Now let's consider another reaction. Degradation of nicotine isomethionide to hygrinic acid. Nicotine isomethionide is treated with potassium ferrocyanide to give nicotine, which on further oxidation with chromium trioxide gives hygrinic acid. So the side chain in nicotine is N-methylpyrrolidine and its second position is attached to the pyridine nucleus. To confirm this structure, let's look at the synthesis of nicotine. Spath and Bretschneider synthesized nicotine by treating the ethyl ester of nicotinic acid and methyl-2-pyrrolidone. So the first step is the synthesis of N-methylpyrrolidone. Succinimide is converted to 2-pyrrolidone using electrolytic reduction and further reaction gives methyl-2-pyrrolidone. The second step is treating the ethyl ester of nicotinic acid and methyl-2-pyrrolidone with alcohol-free sodium ethylates to give ketone 1. When this ketone was heated for 7 hours, with fuming hydrochloric acid at 130 degrees Celsius. The pyrrolidine ring was opened, carbon dioxide was split off. And there was obtained ketone 2, which was reduced to alcohol by means of zinc dust in boiling alcoholic alkali. The alcohol, treated with fuming hydriodic acid at 100 Celsius, yielded the iodide. The solution of the iodide was made alkaline, was allowed to stand, and was then distilled with steam giving nicotine. We can now confirm the structure of nicotine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this content and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel.